All right, so today we're going to check out this wireless adapter for Apple CarPlay, and the manufacturer did send this to me to check out. So we're going to go ahead and take it out, hook it up to my vehicle, and see how it works. Now, you will need a vehicle that is compatible with a wired Apple CarPlay. Of course, if you have like a brand new vehicle, they are already wireless. But if you have I think they came out in like 2016, 2017 is when Apple CarPlay started the rollout. So if you have one between like 16 and like 21, you're going to need to use a wire. But with this here, you can get rid of the wires, and you won't have to worry with hooking it up and disconnecting it every time you get out of your vehicle. So let's unpack it and check it out. All right, so this is your dongle right here, and all you have to do is plug this into the USB port that supports Apple CarPlay on your vehicle. Now for me, that's right down here inside this little cubby hole. So you just take it and you'll plug it in, and then after it's plugged in, it'll show up here on your screen after it connects. Right there. And then I've got a couple little adapters that it came with in case you want like the little L adapter. You can put that on there. And then it also comes with an adapter here as well that switches it from a USB-A to a USB-C type adapter. And this L type adapter, it's just a USB-A to a USB-A adapter. All right, so then you'll want to take your iPhone and you'll select the down here under your Bluetooth settings, go to the Smart Box, and then it should connect. So we'll go ahead and hit pair and allow, and then it should connect here in just a second. And then it's going to ask us, do you want to use Apple CarPlay? Of course, yes, we want to use Apple CarPlay. And you only have to do this the first time that you set it up. After you do this, then boom, you won't have to mess with it anymore. You'll be good to go. You'll have wireless Apple CarPlay. Check this out. No wires or anything are attached to it. You are now good to go. And then in your vehicle, you can, use the maps, or I've got to allow location settings on here. You can listen to music. You can do your texts. You can pretty much use a majority of your apps on here. Let's see if we can get some music playing. Play some copyright-free music.
Now playing copyright-free music EP by Vibey Music.
All right, and there we go. It's playing some music, as you can see. So, super cool. You are all set up now for wireless Apple CarPlay. Gonna have to highly recommend it. It's super cool. All right, there you go, guys.